In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on mouse keys on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel now, select where it says accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select mouse. And then where it says mouse keys, use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. Toggle that on, and then you can enable or change additional settings below. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.